Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, March 11th, 2026, I'm in Patar Beach. Last night from Honda Island, I came over here. It is approximately 43 kilometers. It took me almost 1 hour to reach over here. This is the place I stayed last night. I'll give a tour about this place later. Right now it's 7:30 a.m. We are going to explore Patar Beach. I parked my bike over there. I can see the beach from here. Looks like a low tide from here. So everything happening in this one street. You can see it. Approximately the street was 200 meter street. All the beach, resort, inn, everything located over here. So you need to pay 30 pesos for the entrance fee for this beach. Which part? You're not. I'm South. I'm South India. Okay. So have a look. Check it out on my channel, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye. They say high tide is a good thing for me, for the photograph, for the video. Initially I thought I don't want to take a bath, but I cannot pass this opportunity. I'm going to take a bath in Patar Beach. Okay, see how it look like. I'll put it over there. Safety first. Just put it over here. Yeah, so many people over here. Alright. Okay. Come this side. This side because the sunlight is this side. Come. It's okay, we are here. Come. Hey, give us shit. Okay. Come. It's good. Yeah. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, would be awesome. Thank you. Wow, this is rocky.
Okay na, salog.
Wow. Not bad. Let's go. Wow. Beautiful, clear water. Wow. It's beautiful. Wow. You want to take a photo? Sunlight is the side, but still you can take it.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye.